As the world of AI continues to grow, 300 million jobs are expected to be displaced in the next few years. Mastering prompt engineering is very essential and more important than ever today. With salaries of AI prompt engineers rising up to $335,000 per year, it is clear that this skill is in very high demand. In today's video, I wanted to provide you with an executive summary on how to harness the power of conversational AI, unveiling the secrets as well as 4 very powerful techniques. So let's dive into it and create our perfect prompt. The most important part is to understand the value of proper prompts, because as we say in machine learning, garbage in, garbage out. And this is why it's important to also have great prompts in, great AI generated responses out. And this will not only help us with relevancy, but also with accuracy as well as quality of the responses. One of the most powerful techniques is to provide examples for the conversational AI. In traditional academics, this is called ZeroShot, OneShot, and MultiShot, and it has been proven to increase the accuracy and recall of answers. For example, we can ask to create a grocery store list for tomorrow's dinner. That creates a great result. This is called ZeroShot, as we do not provide any explicit examples. Where we can provide an example from what we had yesterday, then this is called OneShot. Now it's able to at least provide us with the structure as well as some relevancy to our yesterday's meal. But now if we're able to provide multi-shot, we're able to provide a diverse set of options that we provided beforehand, enabling the full creativity of these large language models. Powerful technique number 2, role-based and task-based querying. AI is only meant to predict the next most likely sequence of words. It is not meant to predict truth or what's relevant to yourself. This is why it is important to maybe preface that the AI is supposed to play a very highly qualified job. In our case, it will be a nutritionist, a professional nutritionist, one of the best nutritionists in the world, and they're going to be suggesting us meals. And in this way, we're able to generate a very accurate response. Where task-based is very similar, as we're able to further down, not only specify the role, but also the task that the nutritionist is supposed to play out, such as dietary planning for the future, including maybe some of the dietary restrictions that some people may have. Powerful technique number 3, multi-querying. In today's sphere, large language models are only limited by 2,000 words, which is a lot. However, it's not enough to complete a whole understanding of the current situation, which is why using multi-prompts, for example, one directly for building the nutrition guide, another one for the days of the week, and then another one for the grocery store list is very important, as it will enable us to expand far beyond the 2,000 word limitation, as well as improve accuracies and provide more details as to the response that we expect. And number 4, this is probably the most powerful techniques and probably the one that is being underused by everyone, and that is data structure querying. Data structure querying enables you to use powerful models like ChatGPT, BART, and Lambda as backends directly. And this is great because you're able to harness the power of traditional applications while also harnessing the power of creative applications. For instance, we might be able to introduce our meal plan directly into an application by requesting an array of ingredients. And using this array of ingredients, we're able to display it beautifully in an application, maybe on your mobile phone directly. These were the 4 most powerful techniques for AI prompting, and I hope that you learned something. You can download the templates on aisuisse.com/prompts. And in this way, we'll be able to further along our knowledge of prompt engineering. And feel free to subscribe and like this video.